Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll guide you through the smooth and effortless process of getting started with bitplatform project templates and Blazor UI components.
Hi, Yas. I'm excited to learn more about bitplatform. I'm particularly interested in how we can test its products in action without installing anything beforehand.
Indeed, Mary, we've got you covered. We'll be utilizing GitHub Codespaces, the web-based version of Visual Studio Code hosted on the cloud. This cloud-based approach eliminates the need for any local installations.
That sounds brilliant. How exactly do we access bitplatform products through GitHub Codespaces?
To make things even simpler, we've prepared a dedicated repository called Blazor UI Playground. Simply click the Open in GitHub Codespaces button and then click on Create Codespace to launch your workspace.
Once the codespace is ready, what's the next step?
To get started, simply run the .NET-watch command. This will automatically compile and serve your Blazor application, allowing you to view and interact with it directly in your web browser.
I'm intrigued by the demos that showcase Blazor UI components in action. Can we explore some of those examples?
Certainly. Many of our components have demos with accompanying source code. Some components, such as nav or drop-down, offer different ways to interact and customize their behavior.
That's impressive. Let's take a closer look at the pagination components demo source code to see how it works.
As you modify the code, the changes will be applied instantly thanks to the .NET-watch command. This real-time feedback is incredibly valuable for rapid development. Indeed, Mary, the state of your application is preserved during code modifications, ensuring a seamless development experience.
Now, let's explore the admin panel demo of our Bit boilerplate project template. I'm curious to see its features.
Sure. Let's follow the project template playground's instructions. The admin panel demo showcases a wide range of capabilities, including localization, light and dark theme support, and various customization options. With bitplatform, creating projects like this is indeed a breeze. You can effortlessly replicate the admin panel demo and tailor it to your specific needs.
I'm eager to learn more about bitplatform's capabilities. I'll be excited to see what we uncover in the next episode.
Until then, Mary, and thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of bitplatform.